Article 430.223 is located in National Electrical Code Chapter 4, Equipment for General Use. This chapter addresses equipment rated 600 volts or less. The rule stated in Article 430.223 generally restricts the use of flexible metal conduit or liquidtight flexible metal conduit to a maximum of 6 feet when connecting a motor terminal enclosure to a raceway. However, there's an important exception to this rule found in Article 430.145b4. This section states that liquidtight flexible metal conduit or flexible metal conduit can exceed 6 feet in length if it's necessary for maintenance or servicing. Considering you are using Sealtight, which falls under the category of liquidtight flexible metal conduit, you are allowed to use more than the standard 6 feet to connect your motor terminal enclosure to a raceway. This is permissible as long as the extended length is justified by the needs of maintenance or servicing. In this specific scenario, using 15 feet of Sealtight to feed the 120-volt motor is acceptable under the NEC, provided that the length is required for maintenance or servicing purposes.